Beautification at its finest. We just cleaned up a berm on a historical site in DFW. We specialize in HOA retention pond cleaning and golf course pond dredging. Grapevine Springs Park. The Grapevine Springs, which flow into the Elm Fork of the Trinity River, have attracted visitors for more than 2,000 years. In 1843, Republic of Texas President Sam Houston camped here during the treaty negotiations with the Native Americans. The treaty was later signed at Bird's Fort in 1936. Dallas County accepted the donation of Houston's campsite as parkland, and the Federal Works Progress Administration, WPA, built rock walls, picnic facilities, footbridges, and other features during World War II. The ownership reverted to prior owners. The Baptist Foundation of Texas later obtained the land and donated it to the country in 1991. Today, the city of Coppell maintains it, and efforts to restore the WPA features are ongoing. American Underwater Services was able to help out a local historical park. If your pond, park, or area needs dredging, call the professionals. It was an honor to do the Grapevine Springs Park, and we look forward to seeing your comments. Please subscribe and ring the bell.